ki khubor ka bate se TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Ka Jingkheiñ ka St. Thomas Higher Secondary School Mairang ha ka puliputhi na Waysnam sha Waypan hadin bakalala ru bansay bongot ki khana puli ki balayo banrung ha ka top 10 ha ka result secondary school living certificate kamshem lakot tanghangta hanrei kanika school menta usnam arjar psaw kalasha jiet hadu arngot ki Nonghikai ban yo plyang ya ka teachers award ki arngot ki Nonghikai ki balasha jiet ban yo plyang ya ka teachers award na ka St. Thomas Higher Secondary School ki kintup ya babu Manoranjan Barwa ubala yo plyang ya ka state award bat ka vice principal jong school ka sister Cecilia Kujur ka bala yo plyang ya ka district award ha ka Kerdan secondary level u Manoranjan Barwa nalor ba uday Nonghikai ha ka subject Jingkheiñ ula don bentaru ban no senyangru sha usup uthiar jong ka puli puthi da ka bathokot nalor ki Waypan ki kam.
I was born in Assam, in Patsala, now it is in Bozali district. Then I completed my MSc, then BEd and LLB also. Then in 1996, I came to teach here in Mosud Secondary School. And I was there for 10 years, and after completion of 10 years, then I joined St. Thomas Higher Secondary School in 2006 in the month of October. Now I am teaching here only, and during this time, means while I was teaching in St. Thomas Higher Secondary School, I wrote 2 books, and when I was there in Assam, that time I wrote 3 books. One is in English grammar, one is in problems and solution of teaching mathematics, and one is Assamese quiz. And last year I wrote 2 books. One is handbook on physics, and another one is handbook on chemistry. And this year I was selected for the state award, and I am very grateful to sister because she guided us along the way to reach to this position. People think that mathematics is very difficult subject, and students also they think. But here in the school, I don't think they are not afraid that much of mathematics, because so many students they scored 100 out of 100 also, and now they are almost interested in mathematics. So that fear of mathematics somehow we are able to remove. And I take also NCC because I'm NCC in charge. Then in that field also students are doing very good. Some even got the first rank as firer among the northeastern states. And one of my students also was motivated to join the defense force. Now he is in the defense force BSF. Last year he joined, and now he's working with BSF. And so many are motivated to join the defense forces also.
School St. Thomas Higher Secondary School Mairang kasung kemen ban yo ka state award nakabenta i Sir Manoranjan Barua. Sir Manoranjan Barua ila ikai haka school jami nadu hajar handriu but ila contribute shibun nakabenta ki khana nakabenta ka school daga bahikai ki khana ban ngotu ya ka Jingkheiñ temenshua i khana ki don kata jingting ban pule ya ka mathematics na marba bun ki khana jungi na kinong kendong ki awan te klem ngotu baha kim don ki foundation ten dala poi ha ka school pade ki la don kata jingting ngala nomla hadu class 4 ki khana ki la pule da ka khasi dala poi se class 5 ki sedang da ka pule da ka fareng te hang ta ka don ka jingkela ba ki khana ro ki sngo jinjar ban ngotu ya ka Mairang but ngotu ya ka Jingkheiñ te kum Sir Manoranjan hat wadada idena Assam te ilawan shanisha Meghalaya but ila Treshitam inang himalumala ban keren khasi tangba I persang ban batai da ka Mairang kanang ba khna kin sas ngotu da ka Mairang bat kin tuaru da ka Mairang te hakine ki snam ba ila Tresh ha St. Thomas ila don ki khna hadu saumut bakila yo chispa amar haka mathematics haka SSLC examination but bun ki khna pe ki yo ki distinction ti isar ilong ba treshitum ban pentiu ki khna tang haka school baden dalawai ka school ro I persang ban yara ki khna dalawan haying jung I pum ka tuition lane tang ban yo ki jimbatai sapang ka mathematics sira sarila tho ri ki kot ban pensingo tu mathematics te menta ipat tho ada ka pareng tan ba idang dang tho ada ka Assamese te ngala encourage I ban translate haka tin pareng nang baki kena jungiru kinyo ka jing mentoi te kum ka school ngila sngo tu nat ban yo sngo ba isar ila sa ajit ban yo kata ka award kedai ka state award as a teacher te naka school St. Thomas hadu mentangi dan arngot ba yo ka district award iwe ide isar manoranjan bat sa iwe ide mangahi te ngaru ngas ngo kemen bantri hakan ka school bat IT ya ka por ka met ka mensim na ka ban penkiu ya ki kana ka jingpule jumki